Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to create PayPal account. First of all, open two tabs in your browser and in one tab open Google search. In second tab log in your Gmail account. Now in Google search type PayPal Malaysia. Click here to open the web page. You can click here on Sign Up for Business, or on this Sign Up button. Then click on Business Account. Click Next. From first drop-down menu, choose on Marketplace or Freelancer platforms. And from second drop-down menu, choose this option or according to your limit. Click Next. Now enter your Gmail address or any active email address here. Click on Continue. Now here choose a strong password, use first letter capital, then use some small letters and some digits. Check these options, you can check both. Click on Continue. Now in first name type your legal name same as written in your national identity card. In business details write your business name or you can also use your own name. To add your business phone number, click here and press the P button. Select Pakistan and don't worry about flag. Read the tooltip, it's Pakistan with country code. Now enter your active cell phone number here. Enter your address. Below this enter your city name. Then enter your postal code. And from this menu choose any Malaysian city. Then click on Agree and Continue. In business type, select Individual. For product select Digital Goods. And you can also paste your web link here, but it's optional. Click on Continue. In date of birth, enter your correct legal date of birth according to your NIC. From nationality choose Pakistan. To confirm your identity you can choose National ID, Passport, or Driver's License. Choose National ID here. And enter your national identity card number. For home address, check this option, same as business address. For home address, check this option, same as business address. And then click to continue, and as you can see, you have created your account. Then go to your email and click on first email of PayPal. Then click on complete information now. Then again go back to your email. Then click on welcome email to activate your account. Press this button. Enter your password to confirm your account. Congratulations, you have created your PayPal account successfully. But one more setting I will recommend you. Go to Balance. Then click on Send or Request Payments. Then click on More button. Then click on Create Your Profile button. Then click on Create PayPal.me Profile button. Add your profile photo or click on Not Now. Now type here anything, that can be your own name or your business name. Then click on Next button. Check this I agree button and click on Agree and Create button. Click on Done and now your profile is live. In next video I will tell you how to link PayPal account with Payoneer account, and receive payments in Jazz Cash app. Thanks for watching, goodbye.